Today, we will talk about GridView in AGen software. In AGen software, GridView let the users to import a database by setting it in bullet management. It also helps the users to view the data table in the form. Let's give an example in bullet management. In this page, you need to design your own bullet by dragging the component at the left sidebar. GridView is also included. Save your bullet design and set the function in the next page. In this page, set the GridView as load grid from SQL. In MS SQL, key in the SQL script according to your database. Now, let's see the result in form management. The grid view in the form will be preview according to the MS SQL script in the bullet function. The grid view in the form is a flexible table where you can do sorting, dragging, and select. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.